this is Amy, and this is a follow-up video to our Lee, where you learned how to pick apart the song, how to practice every part individually. So if you need to go back, please start there. That link will be in the video or up here. Also, if you haven't yet, download my free checklist to learn how to play this tune. In this video, I'm going to play it at 3 tempi. The first one being 60 beats per minute. I don't recommend learning this tune any slower than that. And the second one being 72 beats per minute, kind of a medium tempo. And then the third one being at 92 beats per minute, which I think is a really good goal tempo for this tune. It shouldn't be that fast. It's kind of a faster walking tempo. It's a beautiful song. So if you're interested in this kind of content, definitely subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment below what other songs you want to learn how to play, and I hope you'll play it with me. Or hit my metronome, get my first 2 notes ready, count myself in and play. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now I'm going to set it up to 72. If you're not ready to go to 72, keep practicing at the other metronome marking, but we're going to move on. I'm going to count myself in after I get my hands ready and start playing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and if you accidentally hit a second string on the way, like I just did, then it might be something that you want to go back and revisit. But in the meantime, I'm going to keep going up to 92 so that you have a tune to practice with. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you notice there, at the end, I accidentally hit that second E string again. Went with my open B string at the end. So that would be something, if I was practicing this over and over again, that I would really focus on. Playing that B string really really clearly. So that wraps it up for this playthrough video of Aura Lee, or Love Me Tender, at 3 different tempos. I hope you enjoyed practicing. If you did, subscribe to my channel, like this video, let me know in the comments below of other songs that you want to learn to play, and until then, I'll see you next time. Thanks.